yang landa panguradan tunjukkanlah kasaku yang mesra ya mesra dengan kasaku yang indomu lusto wilado hamba-hambamu yang landa panguradan tunjukkanlah kasaku yang mesra ya mesra dengan kasaku yang indomu lusto wilado hamba-hambamu yang landa panguradan tunjukkanlah kasaku yang mesra ya mesra dengan kasaku yang indomu lusto wilado hamba-hambamu yang landa panguradan tunjukkanlah kasaku yang mesra ya mesra mesra ya mesra
Hey guys, it's LeGrandzilla, and I have here a Monster Maker 28 GMK 2001 Mothra that I did as a commission to repair and repaint. And I made a base for it, which can be turned different ways depending on which side you want, and I gave it a slight angle so that depending on if you want Mothra to be flying up or if you wanted Mothra to be flying down, you can spin it this way and it looks a lot, well, he looks a little bit more like he's going level. But I basically had to fix the antennas and the legs that fell off. Maybe in shipment, it might have been that way before. It goes with a GMK Godzilla that he kind of sits on the head, but the client wanted to display it separately, so after I fixed and repainted it, well, before that actually, I made this base, so and now it can be displayed and it can be taken off the base. I just have a hole drilled underneath them. But first time I've tried painting a adult Mothra of any type, and so it has its challenges because it's not really the same as painting Godzilla or Paragon. A lot of different colors involved, and some of them I didn't have, so ended up getting the colors I thought I needed and did my best with it, and hopefully it's better than it was, at least, although it's not perfect. Anyway, I wanted to show you this. It's a pretty cool model kit. Good representation of this Mothra indeed. This is a pretty cool Mothra actually. I like how he's got the stinger that shoots little stings out. It's pretty cool. And this Mothra has purplish eyes rather than blue, like most of them do. So it's kind of a unique Mothra, one they used in the 2001 movie. So anyway, hope you like seeing it. Until next time, bye.